how to send money from Western Union to Nepal. Load up the Western Union app, then you want to click on menu in the top right corner and then select send money. From here, we will need to choose the country of Nepal. Go scroll down until you see N, and here we will be able to locate Nepal. Now you will need to type the amount which you want to send. For example, let's do $15, and you will choose the payment method. So how will the receiver get the money? You can do cash pickup, you can do bank account or mobile wallet. For example, let's do a bank account here. Once you select bank account, then it's going to show you the fees for all of the different payment methods. So you can pay online or you can pay in store. And here you have credit card, debit card. We will leave it as debit card. And you can see that the fee is $0 and the business days is going to be received in 0 to 4 days. Click on next. You will need to fill out the receiver's information, first name, middle name, last name, their email address, which bank are they using. So here you will see a list of all of the Nepali banks, and you will need to provide their account number as well. Now, once you have provided their account number, you will choose a purpose for this amount. So we're going to do gift, relationship to the receiver. So how are you related? And you will click on add. It is then going to ask you for your card details. You will provide your card details, and that way, if you go through the prompts, you will send money to the person in Nepal using Western Union. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.